You may be having some extra people at your house this weekend for an outdoor, socially distant Labor Day get-together. That could mean some plumbing problems. That always happens when extra people come over. Home comfort experts can help us with some drain cleaning. Gary is here to tell us more. So if we're having people over, or maybe it's just the time of year, I feel like those outdoor drains stuff gets in them this time of year.
Yeah.
Do we have you come before, after? How does that work?
Well, it's usually a good idea beforehand. You know, there's things you can do. You could have the drain cleaned if you haven't done it in a while. Have your drain cleaned that goes out, you know, your sewer line that goes out. We can run those out, clean them out, get what's stuck in there. Grease sticks in there, you know, a lot. Drains that go from your sink in your kitchen to the main drain in your house. This time of year, where we run into floor drains in garages that plug up. Your air conditioner's been running all summer long. That water in there it's not flowing really quickly, so that tends to plug things up. So you can have that taken care of beforehand. You know, few things you can do to help prevent, like say your kitchen drain backing up, is if you fill your sink up with really hot water. Now be careful. I don't want anybody to scald themselves.
Yes, please.
Yeah, you have to reach to the bottom of that sink to let that water out, and with a little bit of soap in it. And when you let that water go through there, if you have a disposal or whatever, let that run. And that helps flush down through there. The soap and the hot water will help break up the grease that may already be in there and move it on through. But getting it cleaned ahead of time, if you notice that it's slow, you know, a lot of times maybe you hear that kind of gurgle noise, you're not sure what's going on. That's a good idea to have that taken care of and get it cleaned before it becomes a big problem. So.
The other thing that sometimes extra people in your house can cause is lack of hot water. Extra people taking showers, hot water comes out. You guys have a special deal going on right now.
Right now, for the first 20 systems we sell up to the 15th of September. I almost said October. I almost threw us a month ahead.
Well, actually, 2020, that'd be okay. Let's just go ahead and skip through.
That's right. So the first 20 systems that we sell up to the 15th of September, you get a free water heater with it, with that install of that system, which is it's a good thing. I mean, a lot of homes, if you're in a home that maybe has been built within the past 10 to 15 years, you know, unfortunately, they don't always put the best equipment in when that new home's built. So that water heater and that, you know, that equipment may not be, you know, have a long lifetime, and you may be looking at replacing all of it at once anyway. So.
And you said the first 15, so this is not the kind of thing we ought to sit around and wait on.
The first 20.
Oh, see, numbers are hard.
To the 15th of September, yeah.
See, that's where I got 15.
That's right. So yeah, so you don't want to wait around for that, because they will go quickly.
All we have to do is call to get that.
That's right, 490-5100. Call homecomfort.com.
Oh, so. Look at you, just rattling those off. This is a good, we're getting a little bit of a taste of, I don't want to say fall this weekend, but at least it's a little cool down. We've talked about this before, but quickly, it's okay if we open those windows this weekend, but we just have to remember next week when it gets hot again, because you know it will happen.
Yeah.
Our air conditioner will have to work a little harder.
Yeah, it's going to have to work a little harder. The air outside is not quite as humid. And today, you know, it's not quite as humid as it has been the past few days. Over this weekend, I believe, is supposed to be the same way. But if you do open those windows, and once you close them up, you got to realize that you have to pull that humidity back out of that air. That's what that air conditioner is going to work on doing before it starts lowering the temperature. And it may take a day or so, because everything in your house absorbs the humidity.
That's why those cabinets in the kitchen will start sticking together.
That's right. That's why they do that.
Although I'm telling you, I think it's worth it this weekend to open those windows.
Yep, have a party.
Let's not get crazy. But at least I can have a little fresh air in my house.
That's right.
If you would like to take advantage of that free water heater, give them a call right now at Home Comfort Experts, 490-5100. We'll be right back.